what is the actual f***ing point of pulling out on someone? Well done. We're on our way to Torquay. Just random ride. I'm feeling a bit generous today, you know. Right, the bit we're going to, or the bit that this comes out, is actually the bit I hate. It gives me flashbacks. Not good flashbacks either. It brings me out just after, or just before now, to where I crashed. So I crashed here and I went all the way down there. I ended up almost at the junction I just pulled out of. I ended up almost there. Quite scary. How the hell I didn't come off badly injured or even died, because it was quite a high speed crash, so there's no way I should have walked away, but I do have to thank God for that one, because I'm still here. It's got a nice view up here. I like that. I fucking somehow had soap on my shoe. Alright, so little ride, gonna head up near Dartmoor. I can't hear my maps.
Why is it on the Quadlock?
I don't know. I'm trying to fucking grab it. I can't. Right, it's on my mount now.
Oh, that's alright then. That would have been good from the start. Oh, that's better.
We'll make that. The bike don't sound too bad.
Yeah, it's alright to be there.
It sounds...
It's going to sound shit. Where are we going to?
Dartmoor. These lights are alright, they work. Sounds aggressive. I phoned Tragos, I was like, can you service my bike? And he went, don't know. I was like, well, it's a yes or no, innit? So yeah, I'm definitely doing more ride outs. I'm in the group chat, so as soon as there's a ride out put in the group chat, I'm there. Sorry, that view's fucking nice. I almost f***ed my turning up so badly, bro. Turn that off a bit. We're getting to the cold area now. Personally, I'm going to go off a bit further because that one's horrible. I like that car park. Oh, that's fucking... I don't like this car park. Right. Right, see you in a bit. In a bit.